You searched how to buy shares of Temple Webster Group Ltd, a leading Australian online retailer of furniture and homewares. It trades on CBOE-AUS under the ticker TPW.ASX, and this video is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as the example to walk through the steps. After registering, you'll need to verify your account with a government ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the broker's search box and type the ticker TPW.ASX to find the listing. Select the matching Temple Webster Group Ltd result to make sure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company details and a live price chart. Confirm the company name, market CBOE-AUS, and ticker TPW.ASX to be certain it's the right share. Press Invest or Buy, enter the amount you wish to invest, then review order details such as order type and estimated fees. If the market is closed, your order will be queued or executed when it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it, and a link to eToro is provided in the video description for convenience.